Hey guys, in this video I will show you best forex indicator special for you. Okay, special for you. And if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for next indicator and next update and next strategy. Okay, if you not join my telegram channel, uh, join my telegram channel and I send this indicator link. You can download it and you can use it. Okay, if you not best forex broker account and best binary option broker account, I can link in description box. Please check it. And you if you not create an account, you can account create this with this link. Okay, so here is a indicator. This indicator name is crazy arrow. This indicator download link is description box. Here's a today's market close is a off-day market, and crazy yesterday crazy arrow signal buy signal, TP is here and market going up, uh, and market here is a close point because Saturday is off day. Okay, and previously market here is a crazy arrow signal down. Okay, market go down, crazy arrow buy, market going up. Is a This is the automatic signal indicator. You can download it. And um, if you not create account on forex, for please create forex account and demo trade this indicator. Okay, practice this indicator with demo account. Okay, then if you see this indicator is profitable, you can trade on real account. Okay, you can download it. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for next update and next indicator. Okay, thank you so much.